I'm just filling up the bed here, guys. I'll tell you what the temperature gauge says here. I'm just putting a torch up to it to get it to go. Okay, -5 out, 0 in, 75 out, 63 in. I'll write that down. And it is, well, can't even see the time. Hold on. It's dark in here. It's 9:45 on my watch. So I'll write that down. Give me a second. (9:45). -5 out, 0 in. Alright, let's go check the bed. We'll be getting close here. It's getting there. I gotta get, once this is done, I'm gonna put the fire on right away. So just bear with me with the noise here. I'm gonna go throw the propane tank on. I should turn my little solar lights on. Let me do that. Okay, it looks like the bed is done. So I'm gonna kill the power. Yep. That guy's done. Bed inflated. Alright, gonna get the heat on right away, guys. Sorry about the lighting. I got my LEDs. I'm gonna get the other one on here in a minute. Let me see. I'm just using my hand torch for now. Okay, there we go. They show up on this camera, but probably not anything else. Alright, so the only gas I have on is the fireplace, which is what I want to be safe. Now, I'll plug the damn inverter in. Sorry about the bad angles, guys. I'm trying to get heat on as quickly as I can. Gas up. So we're going to throw the gas on because it is cold in here. Crank it all the way. Then we're going to go over to the propane stove and we're going to light up. So pilot. You're on pilot, and I can't hold the camera and do this, so you guys will just have to bear with me. Trying. I should set up the tripod. Sorry about that, guys. Wow, I can hear the spray foam making noise when the wind blows. Some insane wind. Come on, guys, let's go. A lot of air in the line I gotta get rid of. It's a pain. Wear my lighter out. Oh boy. We'll get her. Come on. Make sure I'm on pilot. Yes, I am. Alright guys, I'm gonna struggle with this. I don't want to have a 10-minute video of me trying to light the fireplace, so I'll be back.